Microplastics are plastics that are smaller than 5 millimeters. There are two types of microplastics. The first type is primary microplastics. They are manufactured to be microplastics. They can end up in the ocean through the sewage system, because they are too small to be filtered. Secondary microplastics are from the breakdown of larger parts. The first process is called mechanical degradation. For example, large pieces of plastic break when they hit rocks. The second is photodegradation, where the sunlight breaks down the plastics into pieces. The third type is biological degradation. For example, plastics is broken down by the bacteria.
In order to understand microplastics pollution in Hong Kong, we have done the following steps to find out how serious it is. After the collection of samples, we did wet sieving to sort the samples into different size fractions. The objects that are larger than 5 millimeters were removed. The next step was sample digestion. We add chemicals to sample and heat it to remove organic materials like leaves or bits of wood from the sample. We then do the density separation, which heavier non-plastic bits will sink, leaving the microplastics at the top for collection. When the sample is dried, we weigh it and count it under microscope, and separate it into 5 categories: foam, hard fragments, pellets, film, and fiber. And the major sources of these fragments include styrofoam, hard plastics, cosmetic products, plastic bags, and synthetic clothing. We collected 28 samples from 5 different locations at different times, and we found out that the Tongo Wan site has the most amount of microplastics on average.
Microplastics are harmful to marine organisms. Fishes and planktons can mistake microplastics for food. When microplastics end up in their digestive system, it will block food nutrient absorption and affect their health, or even cause death. Microplastics can also act like sponge to absorb toxic chemicals. They can accumulate in the food chain. And when we consume seafood, we will be affected as well. To protect the marine environment, we should avoid using plastic bottles, styrofoam, food container, and personal healthcare products that contribute to microplastics. We can replace them with stainless steel water bottles, glass food containers, and organic personal healthcare products. If you have time, why not participate in beach cleaning to reduce plastic pieces in our ocean? Together with our effort, we can have a plastic-free sea.